Dummy.
Here.
Is the lion reading a book, Ro?
This taller than this, not including hair.
Taller than this.
Hello, Steven.
Is that the top?
Yeah, that's the top.
Are we doing the smaller
I
chair
think
this
your
year?
dad knows what to do.
The small tree?
No! Big tree! Big
I think we have a hard time getting everything to fit.
Big tree! Big tree!
What's a girl?
It says that. Oh yeah, it does.
Yeah, those are my trees.
Stewie, what you doing? You getting him?
There's an Elsa ornament. I'm looking for that.
Yeah.
That's why I want to. That's why I do. Well, this is mine. That's mine.
No, mine is like green. Mine.
I thought it was mine. And it clearly says my name.
Right in my chest.
How is it? What's mine?
She doesn't.
Boy. He knows karate.
Here's mine. Here's mine. Parrot talking. Parrot. Stevie.
And they're right here.
I got pillow.
We don't have the Elsa ornament anymore. Knit
Oh, good.
wit.
Stevie.
That's weird.
How am I supposed to put on them?
Ellie, what are you doing?
Yeah. What? Where's that? Wow. Oh gosh, I'll help in trouble.
What do you think? Is it pretty? The cats like it. You sit? No.
We chopped the tail.
Here, no, show them your stuff. Sit down. Come,
I just
come.
thought.
Sit.
Oh, there's more. I got more. Oh gosh. what
No.
is it?
Sit.
Yeah, it's lagging for me.
No,
Flag.
Stevie. Sit.
Hey, look, the trail
Down.
blood's back. Oh gosh! That was
Stevie. Sit.
that was hiding right
Good
here.
job. Up. Good
You
job.
just have to.
Sit. Hop. Hop. Good job. Paw.
What's
Here.
behind?
Paw. Good girl. You wanted to do again? I was trying to film the cats, not you. Stop grabbing me. Stop grabbing me. You're mean.
Oh gosh!
You pick on me.
Here from there.
Down.
That just jumped over.
Good girl.
Like,
Good
it
girl.
jumped over
Up.
the cliff and then-
Good job. Okay, sit. No. Sit. Paw. Sit. Paw. No. No. What are you? What is that? Stevie.
It's lagging for me.
Paw. Good job. Down.
Look,
Good.
keep lagging.
Okay. Up. Good job. Jesus, Miguel. Oh my.
I thought I saw a big one. We killed him!
It's recording.
Yeah.
Or did it hurt?
Look, there's a Kelly.
Who knows?
Callie. She's right there. She's right there. There's the tree. There's the tree. I got the tree.
You like it?
Yeah, it's so pretty.
I wish you could.
It turned out nice, and I like it in that corner.
It's a Stefan. Oh, that was the tree.
Or you can carry infinite.
Did you know that on Cuphead show they cut down real trees?
I do.
Yeah, we use just fake trees.
Aunt Megan gets a real tree every year. They went to the tree farm this past weekend.
Oh gosh. I hate crowds. They're even worse than.
Can you read it?
Me?
Yeah,
Crowds.
please. That's
At least we're
You
more
read?
powerful.
with the mouse.
Ooh.
It's so cute.
"'Twas the night before Christmas, when all through the house not a creature was stirring, not even a mouse. The stockings were hung by the chimney with care, hopes that St. Nicholas soon would be there." Oh,
Bunnies.
wow. Bunnies?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, they're all dancing up there.
Oh. And also they're sleeping in beds.
Okay.
And don't try and bite the camera. The baby bunnies who were nestled and all snug in their beds while visions
Good
of
job.
sugar plums danced in their heads.
Good
Stop
job.
biting the camera. Stop it. Stop it. Stop.